Stop by and take a look at the 2012 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, traction control, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks, power windows. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.